Hi, I'm Lori Volkert, Connecticut State Fire Marshal, here with a quick fire safety tip.
And I'm Brian Caffarelli from the Department of Consumer Protection. Quick question, if you were buying a smoke alarm, which one would you pick?
Hopefully, the one that actually works.
Exactly. Unfortunately, some products being sold online and in stores haven't been tested to national fire safety product standards.
When you buy a fire safety device like a smoke alarm, carbon monoxide alarm, or fire extinguisher, or other fire safety tool, you want to check to make sure it's got the label of a nationally recognized testing agency, like UL, ETL, or some other similar agency.
You'll usually find it on the packaging, the instructions, and the device itself. If it's missing, that's a red flag.
These devices are your first line of defense in a fire emergency, and if they're not tested, they may not work the way they're supposed to.
And if you see a fire safety product that doesn't have a proper listing mark or something just seems off, please report it to the Department of Consumer Protection at ct.gov/DCP/complaints. Because when it comes to fire safety,
just a few seconds checking the label can make a huge difference.